Technology is constantly evolving, and I always knew I wanted to build a career in a field where learning never really stops. That's what led me to pursue my MCA in data science at Lions University. The curriculum provides a strong foundation in computer science and data science concepts. During my journey here, I have had many chances to work on multiple industry certifications that led me to explore multiple tools and technologies beyond the classroom and strengthen my potential. I regularly practice problem solving on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRanks, and take part in hackathons. These experiences have really improved my logical thinking, coding skills, and confidence in solving real-world problems. What makes this journey even better is the faculty. They constantly encourage us to stay curious, keep learning, and explore new industry trends. Overall, this journey has helped me to grow step by step in the field of tech and data science.